Okay, ngayon naman, try naman natin ngayon gumawa ng video. Maglalagay tayo ng narrations and recorded timings. Okay, so before we proceed to that, ito yung voiceover ko kanina. Delete muna natin to. Ayan. Then, punta na tayo sa File, Export, then create a video. Okay, so ayan na. So, as is ang ating resolution, Full HD. Then this one, instead of don't use recorded timings and narrations, ang gagamitin ngayon natin ay use recorded timings and narrations. Pero before we proceed to that, mag-record muna tayo. Record timings and narrations. So click this one. Yan, dito tayo mapupunta pag click natin yan. So, ito yung kanyang parang studio sa pagre-record ng narrations. We have these 3 buttons here sa taas. Meron tayong record. Kung magre-record na tayo, we click on this one. Then, we can stop it or we can also pause it. Then, pwede rin natin siyang panoorin after natin mag-record, yung replay. Okay, so yan ang pinaka kailangan natin to do this. Then, meron tayong notes. Okay? Since hindi ako naglagay ng notes dun sa slides, nakalagay dito no notes. Okay? Hindi ito pwedeng i-edit. Pero, pwede natin siyang lakihan at liitan. Okay. So, kung malabo mata natin, pwede natin siyang lakihan. Kung nalalakihan tayo masyado, we can reduce the size. Okay. So, that is the notes. Pwede natin dito ilagay yung script natin para hindi tayo nawawala. Okay, next. Meron tayong button for clear existing recordings. Okay, kung meron na. Since wala pa tayong existing recordings, eto lang tayo. Okay, so meron tayong current slide saka all slides. Pag sinabing current slide, kung ano yung makikita mo rito, yun yung buburahin niya. Ngayon, when we select all slides, lahat ng slides yan. Tatanggalan niya ng recordings. Okay. So, since wala pa tayong recordings, close muna natin yan. Then, by the way, pag nag-clear tayo, ang mangyayari dyan, kita nyo to sa baba, mabubura siya. Mag-0-0 siya lahat. Okay. Mamaya, pakikita ko sa inyo yan. Okay, next. Ito naman yung ating para sa settings. Settings ng ano to, microphone and camera. Okay. So, kung pareho tayo na masyadong marami nang nilagay na microphone at masyado na rin maraming nilagay na camera, dapat alam nyo kung anong camera at microphone yung gagamitin natin. Okay. So, bumili kasi ako ng webcam since malabo kasi itong webcam ng laptop ko, pero may mga built-in tayo. May mga laptops na malilinaw mong camera. Unfortunately, yung sa akin hindi. Okay, so that is the settings. Okay, now this one, may 2 buttons tayo dito. This will take you to which slide you want. Okay, so meron tayong advance, to the next slide, and to the next slide. Since 2 slides lang siya, end of slide na yan. Then, pero pag hindi mo pa siya ng isa, mag-e-exit ka na rito. Okay? So, balik tayo doon sa previous slides. Okay. At pag pinagpilitan mo pa, maririnig mo yon. Ibig sabihin, last na yan. Okay. So, another one is ito. Dito malalaman kung saang slide ka na. Ito ay slide 1 of 2. And slide 2 of 2. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron siyang 10 seconds at 11 seconds. Okay, so sakto siya ngayon. Kasi before kasi hindi. Kukulang siya lagi ng isa. So, 10 plus 11 is equals to 21. Yan, nagmat tayo. Next, meron tayong eraser, meron tayong pen, at meron tayong highlighter. Okay, so ibig sabihin, while recording, we can do this. Okay. Pwede nating sulatan, drawingan. Pwede tayong magbago ng kulay kung anong gusto natin. We can also use the highlighter. We want to highlight this. Ayan. No, hindi siya masyadong kita. So, let's try green. Okay. So, yan. Pero, nagbago isip natin. Ayaw natin ng maraming ganyan. We can use the eraser to erase them. Okay. So, ganyan lang po siya. So, yun yung gamit nila. Eto, these are the colors to choose from. Kung anong kulay ang gusto nyo pagka nagre-record na kayo. Okay, then this one is the microphone. Nire-record dito yung ating boses when it is switched on. Pero, kapag napansin nyo wala kayong boses dyan, tingnan nyo muna, baka naka-off. Okay? Pero ang isa pang ano niyan, dun sa settings. Baka mali yung inyong napiling microphone. Okay. Now, we also have this camera. Okay. Wait. Okay. So, yan. Yan yung camera. Something na pwede natin gamitin talaga sa new normal natin. Kung saan makikita rin tayo ng mga estudyante natin. So, yan siya. We can switch it on and off. Then, this one is also the camera preview. Okay, ito yung window na yan. Pwede natin siyang tanggalin habang nagpe-present tayo, pero pagka natapos na yung recording natin, mapapansin nyo, nandito pa rin siya. Kahit tinanggal natin dito. Bakit? Kasi naka-on yung camera. Okay, the only purpose of this is to remove that window while presenting para kung maging komportable kayo. Kung sa kayo komportable, makita nyo yung buong tawag dito, slide. Okay. Now, kung camera shy kayo, to make sure, before recording, turn this off. Okay. So, ang maririnig lang po dito ay yung ating audio. Now, let's try recording. Let's go to the first slide first. Yan. Slide 1 muna tayo. So, let's start recording. Once na pinindot ko to, makakakita kayo ng cue. Yung cue na yun is 3, 2, and 1. Then, makikita nyo rito na recording in progress. Okay. Sabihin, nag-start na yung recording nun. So, let's try it. Ayan. Grade 3, Mathematics. Visualizing numbers up to 10,000. How well do you know numbers? How many apples can you see? Right, it's just one. Okay, so click on yung stop. Medyo nag-buffer pa yata ako doon. So let's watch. Punta muna tayo sa slide 1, saka tayo mag-hit ng replay. Pag nag-slide 2 tayo at saka tayo nag-replay, slide 2 lang yung replay natin. So, let's try. Let's see. Grade 3, Mathematics. Visualizing numbers up to 10,000. How well do you know numbers? How many apples can you see? Right, it's just one. Okay. So, nakita niyo, nag-buffer yata ako doon. Okay. So, hindi ako satisfied. Ang gagawin ko, I'm going to clear all the recordings on all slides. So, mapapansin niyo yung icon dito na wala. Okay. At nag-zero na siya. Okay. Zero. Lahat siya zero na. Yan yung sinasabi ko po kanina na kapag nag-clear tayo, magzi-zero na siya. Pero pwede pa naman tayong mag-record. Okay. Let's try it once again. Okay. Ready? Grade 3, Mathematics. Visualizing numbers up to 10,000. How well do you know numbers? How many apples can you see? Correct. It's just one. Okay. So, again, nandun na yung icon. Ibig sabihin, nakapag-record na tayo ng audio. Balik tayo sa first slide. Then, replay. Grade 3, Mathematics. Visualizing numbers up to 10,000. How well do you know numbers? How many apples can you see? Correct. It's just one. Okay. So, end of slide na. Click to exit. Okay. Then, create video. Oh, sorry. Before creating a video, make sure this is selected. Kasi nag-record tayo. Then, create video. So, punta tayo sa desktop. Since meron na tayong recorded kanina, palitan natin yung file name. Lagyan natin ng 2. Okay. This means, ito yung nalagyan natin ng narration. Then, of course, MP4 video, then save. Okay. So, dito sa baba, makikita natin yung Creating Video Lesson 2, mp4. Hintayin natin siyang matapos para makuha na natin yung ating video. Yan. So, tapos na siya. Okay. Minimize natin to. Then, yun siya. Sample Lesson 2. Let's watch. Grade 3, Mathematics. Visualizing numbers up to 10,000. How well do you know numbers? How many apples can you see? Correct. It's just one. Okay. So that's it. Sana po naintindihan, nadalian, at magagawa natin yan. Thank you.